This is a grammatical sentence formation course being taught by M. Kadirvadi Chennai. Dear friends, are you ready? Have you taken your note? Please keep it ready to start writing. Today, we are going to see Preposition Part 20. You just write heading Preposition Part 20. Preposition Part 20. You see here, under preposition, what we are going to see now? Inside. Inside. Shall we start? Okay. Go inside the classroom. Go inside the classroom. Classroom kulle go. Go inside the classroom. Next. There was a gold watch inside the box. There was a gold watch inside the box. அந்த பாக்ஸுக்குள்ளே ஒரு கோல்டு வாட்ச் இருந்தது. There was a gold watch inside the box. Next. He is inside the room. He is inside the room. அவன் ரூமுக்குள்ளே இருக்கிறான். He is inside the room. Next. There are a lot of students inside the auditorium. There are a lot of students inside the auditorium. ஆடிட்டோரியத்துக்குள்ளே நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கிறாங்க. ஆடிட்டோரியத்துக்குள்ளே நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. There are a lot of students inside the auditorium. Next. You can come and sit inside my cabin. You can come and sit inside my cabin. நீங்க என்னுடைய கேபினுக்கு உள்ளே வந்து உட்காரலாம். You can come and sit inside my cabin. Next. The shop owner informed the police that the cash rupees 20,000 kept inside the shop was missing. The shop owner informed the police that the cash rupees 20,000 kept inside the shop was missing. ஷாப்புக்குள்ளே வைக்கப்பட்ட கேஷ் rupees 20,000 மிஸ்ஸிங் என்று அந்த ஷாப் ஓனர் போலீஸ்க்கு இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணார். The shop owner informed the police that the cash rupees 20,000 kept inside the shop was missing. Next. There is a telephone inside the entrance hall. There is a telephone inside the entrance hall. Entrance காலுக்குள்ளே ஒரு டெலிஃபோன் இருக்கிறது. There is a telephone inside the entrance hall. Next. Inside these zones, traffic speeds are restricted to 20 kilometers per hour. Inside these zones, traffic speeds are restricted to 20 kilometers per hour. இந்த ஜோனுக்கு உள்ளே டிராபிக் ஸ்பீட்ஸ் 20 kilometers per hour ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் பண்ணப்படுகிறது, தடை செய்யப்படுகிறது. Inside these zones, traffic speeds are restricted to 20 kilometers per hour. Next. There is some water inside the bottle. There is some water inside the bottle. அந்த பாட்டிலுக்குள்ளே some water இருக்குது, கொஞ்சம் வாட்டர் இருக்கிறது. அந்த பாட்டில்ல கொஞ்சம் வாட்டர் அப்படியே எடுத்துக்கலாம். There is some water inside the bottle. You see here, wherever the preposition inside comes, you please underline. Okay. Next. Please check up. There is a bag inside the jeep. Please check up. There is a bag inside the jeep. ஜீப்புக்கு உள்ளே ஒரு பேக் இருக்கிறதான்னு ப்ளீஸ் செக்அப் பண்ணுங்க. ப்ளீஸ் செக்அப். There is a bag inside the jeep. Next. Members of an environmental group are staging a protest inside a chemical plant. Members of an environmental group are staging a protest inside a chemical plant. ஒரு கெமிக்கல் பிளான்ட்டுக்கு உள்ளே ஒரு என்விரான்மெண்டல் குரூப்புடைய மெம்பர்ஸ் ஒரு போராட்டத்தை நடத்தி கொண்டிருக்கிறார்கள். Members of an environmental group are staging a protest inside a chemical plant. Next. A youth was inside the car attempting to steal something. A youth was inside the car attempting to steal something. எதையோ திருட முயற்சி செய்து ஒரு யூத், ஒரு இளைஞன் அந்த காருக்கு உள்ளே இருந்தான். A youth was inside the car attempting to steal something. Last one. Please try to join the queue inside the bank. Please try to join the queue inside the bank. பேங்க் உள்ளே அந்த queueல ஜாயின் பண்ண முயற்சி செய்யுங்க. Please try to join the queue inside the bank. Next, outside, வெளியே. So we start? Okay. You can park your car outside our house. You can park your car outside our house. எங்க வீட்டுக்கு வெளியே நீங்க உங்க காரை பார்க் பண்ணலாம். You can park your car outside our house. Next. Who is standing outside our kitchen? Who is standing outside our kitchen? நம்ம கிச்சனுக்கு வெளியே யாரு நின்று கொண்டிருக்கா? Who is standing outside our kitchen? Next. You can do anything as you wish outside working hours. You can do anything as you wish outside working hours. Working ஹவர்ஸ்க்கு வெளியே நீங்க விரும்புவது போல நீங்க எதையும் செய்யலாம். You can do anything as you wish outside working hours. Next. The victim was standing outside a shop when he was attacked. The victim was standing outside a shop when he was attacked. Keyக்கு பதிலாக நான் victim substitute பண்ண I'm taking translation. அந்த victim தாக்கப்பட்ட பொழுது ஒரு ஷாப்புக்கு வெளியே அவன் நின்று கொண்டிருந்தான். The victim was standing outside a shop when he was attacked. Then he was trying to go outside the classroom. He was trying to go outside the classroom. அவன் கிளாஸ் ரூமுக்கு வெளியே போக ட்ரை பண்ணி கொண்டிருந்தான். He was trying to go outside the classroom. Next. An angry mob gathered outside the police station. An angry mob gathered outside the police station. அந்த போலீஸ் ஸ்டேஷனுக்கு வெளியே ஒரு ஆங்கிரி மாப், தட் மீன்ஸ் ஒரு கோவப்பட்ட கலகக்காரர்கள் கூட்டம் அந்த போலீஸ் ஸ்டேஷனுக்கு வெளியே கூடினார்கள். An angry mob gathered outside the police station. Next. We drew water in a bucket from the well outside their house. We drew water in a bucket from the well outside their house. அவருடைய வீட்டுக்கு வெளியே உள்ள அந்த கடத்திலிருந்து ஒரு பக்கெட்ல நாங்க வாட்டர் டிராப் பண்ணோம். We drew water in a bucket from the well outside their house. Next. Thousands of people demonstrated outside the parliament building. Thousands of people demonstrated outside the parliament building. Parliament building வெளியே ஆயிரக்கணக்கான people demonstrate பண்ணாங்க, போராட்டம் பண்ணாங்க. Thousands of people demonstrated outside the parliament building. Next. We waited a few minutes outside his office until he finished his work. We waited a few minutes outside his office until he finished his work. அவன் அவனுடைய ஒர்க்கை ஃபினிஷ் பண்ற வரைக்கும் அவனுடைய ஆபீஸ்க்கு வெளியே ஒரு சில மினிட்ஸ் நாங்க வெயிட் பண்ணினோம். We waited a few minutes outside his office until he finished his work. Last one. A long queue of people was there outside the doctor's clinic. A long queue of people was there outside the doctor's clinic. டாக்டருடைய கிளினிக்கு வெளியே பீப்புளுடைய ஒரு லாங் கியூ அங்கே இருந்தது. A long queue of people was there outside the doctor's clinic. Next. Against. Okay. What preposition? Against. எதிராக. We start. We are playing cricket against Pakistan next Sunday. We are playing cricket against Pakistan next Sunday. நாங்க next Sunday பாகிஸ்தானுக்கு எதிராக கிரிக்கெட் விளையாடுறோம். We are playing cricket against Pakistan next Sunday. Next. They have insured their car against theft. They have insured their car against theft. Theftக்கு எதிராக அவர்கள் அவருடைய காரை இன்சூர் பண்ணியிருக்கிறாங்க. They have insured their car against theft. Next. They took precautions against fire. They took precautions against fire. அவர்கள் ஃபயருக்கு எதிராக முன்னடவடிக்கை எடுத்தார்கள். They took precaution against fire. எங்கெங்க preposition against comes-ஓ அங்கெல்லாம் அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணிருக்க. Okay. They took precautions against fire. Next. That is against the law. That is against the law. அது லாவுக்கு எதிராக இருக்கு, சட்டத்துக்கு விரோதமா இருக்கு, சட்டத்துக்கு எதிராக இருக்கு. That is against the law. Next. She was forced to marry him against her will. She was forced to marry him against her will. அவளுடைய விருப்பத்துக்கு மாறா அவனை கல்யாணம் பண்ண அவளை ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணப்பட்டது. She was forced to marry him against her will. Next. The manager has advised him against doing that work. The manager has advised him against doing that work. அந்த ஒர்க்கை செய்வதற்கு எதிராக மேனேஜர் அவருக்கு அட்வைஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கிறார். The manager has advised him against doing that work. Next. The evidence is against him. The evidence is against him. அந்த எவிடன்ஸ் அவனுக்கு எதிராக இருக்கு. The evidence is against him. Next. What is the rate of exchange against the dollar? What is the rate of exchange against the dollar? டாலருக்கு எதிராக என்ன rate of exchange? What is the rate of exchange against the dollar? Then the van dashed against the lamp post last evening. The van dashed against the lamp post last evening. The van last evening அந்த lamp post மீது மோதியது. The van dashed against the lamp post last evening. Next. He discharged himself from hospital against the advice of doctors. He discharged himself from hospital against the advice of doctors. அவர் டாக்டர்ஸுடைய அட்வைஸ்க்கு எதிராக ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் வந்து அவரை டிஸ்சார்ஜ் பண்ணிக்கொண்டார். She discharged himself from hospital against the advice of doctors. Next. A business needs insurance against risks such as fire and flood. A business needs insurance against a risk such as fire and flood. Risks, அதாவது fire and floodக்கு எதிராக ஒரு பிசினஸ்க்கு இன்சூரன்ஸ் தேவை. A business needs insurance against risks such as fire and flood. Next. He made a complaint against his colleague to the director yesterday. He made a complaint against his colleague to the director yesterday. அவர் நேற்று டைரக்டரிடம் அவருடைய கலீக் மீது ஒரு கம்ப்ளைண்ட் பண்ணினார். He made a complaint against his colleague to the director yesterday. Last one. His neighbor lodged a complaint against him with the police station last Sunday. His neighbor lodged a complaint against him with the police station last Sunday. அவருடைய நெய்பர் லாஸ்ட் சண்டே அவர் மீது போலீஸ் ஸ்டேஷன்ல ஒரு கம்ப்ளைண்ட் பண்ணார். His neighbor lodged a complaint against him with the police station last Sunday. Is it clear? I have written correctly? Okay. Let me finish up to this level. Thank you very much for having attended this class continuously. If you like this course, if you are interested in attending this class, if it creates any positive vibration in your mind, please share with your friends and others. It will definitely, certainly and surely make my dreams realized. I will meet you this time tomorrow. Until then, goodbye. M. Kadrivedu. Thank you.